What's up, Sports and Cody? What's up? Just waiting on Bud to pick his second spot here, and then I can determine which one he gets and which one Sports gets. He picked the Warriors, and Sports picked the Wizards. What's up, Bud? You got between 6 and 10 to choose for your spot with the Warriors. And then we can get the random teams rolling. GC, what's good? Yeah, Bud, just let me know if you want 6 or 10 for your second spot. And then we'll also have to choose which box we are going to use, since there's 2 of them. Matt, what's up? What's up, Matt? Bud, you're still in here, right? No, Bud is gone. This is our Mosaic Mega Box break. Group break here. Doing one of these. Just gotta pick which one. Okay, not including this. This other stuff is for another break, but yeah. Just waiting on the last 2 spots to determine who gets 6 and who gets 10. Bud has his pick. So, Bud, just let me know if you want spot 6 or spot 10 for your Warriors for your second spot. And then I'll put Sports down for his Wizards at the other one. And also, I tiered the remaining 20 teams. So this is the better tier for the better teams remaining, and then this is a lower tier, just so someone doesn't get screwed with like a bunch of these teams. So yeah, Bud, just let me know 6 or 10, spot 6 or spot 10, and we can get this thing rolling. Or if you don't have a preference, I can just put you down for one if you would rather. Or let Sports pick. I'm fine with whatever you want. 10, there you go. Alright, we'll put you down at 10. Thank you, sir. And that was for the Warriors. Box 2, please. I will show when we pick the box, I'll show the serial numbers, and then whichever one receives 3 votes, since there's 5 of you, whichever one gets the 3 votes first, that's which one we'll do. Alright, Sports, and Sports had the Wizards. Alright, we'll do the random teams first, and then we will pick the box, and then I think we'll get it going. Alright, we're going to roll the dice 1 time, and we're going to use that roll for both groups of teams. Oh, I did not mean to do that, but alright, we'll refresh that. I did not mean to do that. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, there's the roll. 3 and 2 makes 5. What's up, New England and Nathan? Alright, we're going to start with these teams first. 5 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's 5. Alright, Rockets top, Nets bottom. And we'll put those in here. Alright, and then as soon as we get this done, I'll print it off quick, and then we will do that. Okay, so 3 and 2, 5, we are going on the better teams remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. There it is. Pelicans are on top. Grizzlies are at 8. And we'll put those in here. Whoops, that did not work. Don't know why it did that. Why did it do that? Go like that. Alright, there's your teams. I'm going to print this off quick. Should only take like a couple seconds. What's up, Dillies and Electric and Jose? Just about ready to run this Mosaic Mega Box break. Alright, printing that off right now. Alright, boys. There we go. I'm just going to cut it out so it fits on the screen better. Sorry, I'm taking up some time here. Just so if you guys have questions, if you missed the random, I'll have this in the background. So, alright. I think we're good with the computer. Alright, now it is time to pick the boxes. We have box 52. Can't really see that. 52 or 44. 52 or 44. First 1 to 3 votes gets it for the 5 people that are in this. So the 5 guys that are in the break, just comment if you want box 52 or 44. First 1 to 3 votes is the one we will use. That will be the one we use. That is 3 44s. We're going to use box 44 right here. 44. Alright, we'll set this one to the side. And we will get this thing rolling. I'm going to have the teams in the background here. If you have a question of who you have, just let me know and I will tell you. Alright guys, just going to get the supplies ready and then we can get this thing moving. Alright. Get the gloves on and we will start this thing. Alright, good luck everybody. Good luck, good luck. Wow, I just ripped that glove. Good thing we got spares, right? Alright. Oh my gosh, it's like I've never done this before. I hate to tell you, but I am. Actually, I don't really hate to tell you. They're pretty decent right now, so. I just hope Rogers doesn't leave. Alright, enough talk. Here we go, guys. Good luck. If you guys have any questions, again, just let me know. Here we go. Lucky Card Collector 2 Ripper, by the way. Just got that one in. Box 44. Here we go. 44. Alright. Empty. Alright. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Anthony? All right. Augustine, Korkmaz, Kevin Love, and DeAndre Bembry, Reactive Blue. Kyle Lowry, Larry Bird, Keldon Johnson, and a Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies. That one goes to Bud. I'll show this again. I didn't really show it for very long. So if you guys missed your teams, that's who you got. Sorry about that, guys. Those are the teams. All right. AD, Giannis, Thomas Bryant. We have a debut of Taco Fall. Celtics are... Who had the Celtics? That one goes to GC. Another taco for you, man. Jokic, Alexander Walker. But I was watching your break. That was crazy with the pink pulsar Walker. Karl Malone and KPJ. Definitely thought that was going to be Zion. That would have been insane. Would have been insane. All right, Jaylen Brown, Langston Galloway, Wes Matthews, Cedi Osman. We got a silver mosaic of Russell Westbrook. For the Rockets are sports memorabilia, Brazdeikis, rookie, Patrick Ewing, and Quindary Weatherspoon. For the Spurs. All right, Kawhi Leonard, Clint Capella, Batum, and a Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Wilt Chamberlain, Cam Reddish debut for Bud. Cam Johnson for the Suns. The Suns are Matt. And a Pete Maravich. Alright. I believe we got 6 more. Rodney Hood, Norman Powell, Dragic. We got a rookie silver back there. That one goes John Stockton Reactive Blue. And we got debut Ty Jerome. Ty Jerome silver for the Suns. Suns are matte. Nice rookie silver. Not really the player we're looking for, but there you go. You didn't really miss anything too crazy. If you didn't see the teams, they're right here, GC. Yeah, nothing too crazy so far. Nothing too crazy so far. And then the rest of that pack was Cam Reddish, Jordan Poole, and Gotka. Gotka for the Pacers. It's going to carry them to the finals in a few weeks. Damian Lillard, Bertans, Daniel Theis, and a Tyler Hero Reactive Blue. Nice one for Cody. That is a nice one. And it's not the debut version either, so that probably is better. Nice one, Cody. What's up, SoCal? Nice hit there. Set it right there for you. Then we got Damian Lillard, Kendrick Nunn, DeRong Luka, and Magic Johnson. 4 more. There's got to be some heat left in one of these. Or multiple. That would be fine too. Ingles, Jared Allen, Derek Favors, Marcus Morris. We have a green give and go of Ricky Rubio. Kai Bowman rookie. A Giannis MVPs. And a Nasir Little rookie. 3 more. 3 more. There's got to be some more heat in here. Got to be. Drummond, DeRozan, Jamal Murray, and we got Kyle Kuzma. And then we got a Larry Nance Jr. Silver Mosaic for the Cavs. D. Wade, Eric Pascal, and Kareem. Alright, 2 more, guys. Good luck. There's got to be Zion, Ja, one of them in here. Dwight Powell, Joe Harris, Buddy Hield, and a Ricky Rubio. This is the Ricky Rubio color box, I suppose. Jam Masters Dominique, the GOAT. There's the GOAT right there. Kobe White, rookie. That one goes to GC. That's the debut. And Terrence Mann. There you go, GC. Little Kobe White action for you. A little bit of Kobe White action. And Bud also just pulled a Kobe White silver in his Prism break. That was pretty crazy. Alright, last pack. Some last pack mojo, boys. Here we go. Pat Bev, Josh Hart, James Harden, a rookie, Matisse Thybulle. It's not a bad one to get there. Sixers went to Cody. Cody has the Sixers. Nice color match there. Alright, let's see if we got any nice rookies to finish this box out. Got AD, the Big O, Kyle Guy, and last one, Ja Morant. That's solid. Anything Ja Morant is a good card, I would say. Some printing lines on there. The Grizzlies are Bud. Congrats, Bud, on the Ja. And we will do a short little recap here. Oh yeah, and after we do this, I gotta do the cello pack giveaway for you guys. Alright. So here's a mini little recap of the highlights. Matisse Thybulle reacted blue. Tyler Hero reacted blue, probably the best one that we got. That one goes to Cody. Those two both actually went to Cody. Kobe White for GC. A Ja debut for Bud. And a Ty Jerome Silver for Matt. I don't believe there's anything too crazy. GC. You did miss this at the beginning, though. We hit your buddy again. We hit your buddy. Taco Fall. Knockdown 3. 3-point shooter. Just what you wanted, probably, right? Another one to add to your taco collection. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for color and inserts and whatnot. Alright, I'm going to set this stuff to the side, and we're going to do that little mini giveaway for the 5 that entered this break. I have a cello pack of Mosaic coming in probably the next 2 days, I would think. And that will be put into one of your guys' packages, whoever wins it. So we will do that right now. Take off the gloves and enter you guys into random.org. Just got to get that set up quick. Alright Sorry guys, my phone's went on low battery. We're all good though. We are all good. Alright, let me get this set up quick. Gosh. I bought the optic online from a website. We are going to be doing a break with the optic and what's left of the Mosaic. So, alright, I'm going to copy this list. Oops, you guys can't see it. I'm going to copy this list of your guys' names and put those into random.org right there. Alright, good luck guys. I'm going to roll the dice quick too. Go back. Alright, here's the dice. 1 and 3 is 4. We're going to take it to the list randomizer. Here we go. Good luck everyone. This is for the cello pack of Mosaic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and why don't we cover it up with the taco for some good luck? For some good luck. Alright. 3 times. We go 3 and 1 is 4. Here is the 4th for the cello pack. Alright. Bud, Matt, Sports, Cody, Bud, Sports, Cody, GC, Matt, and GC Wax Breaks wins the Mosaic cello with a lucky taco. So this taco was good for something for you, GC. Just won you a free cello pack there, my guy. Alright, well that is all I have for today. Thank you guys very much for joining the break. That means that we still have this. We have these. We have these. Oops, you can't see the blaster, but we got all this for our next break. So if you guys are interested in that, you 5 that were just in this break, if you're interested in this, DM me and I will come up with a deal for you. A couple, like $5, $10 off a spot for you if you're interested in that. So, no problem, GC. You got it, man. All the spots you've gotten in my breaks, that's probably the least I can do. But thank you guys, as always, for joining. Stay tuned for this break. I might even post it tonight. But, yeah, just stay tuned for that. Like I said, if you are interested and you were one of the 5 that were just in this, I can cut you a deal on a spot or two. So, stay tuned for that. This is going to be a beast. I can feel it. But, alright, I think that's all I got. Have a nice evening, all of you, and we will see you next time.